be videoing when I'm trying to get dressed for fruitcake.
We're already dressed. I'm not taping you anyway.
Hi. Psst.
Baby.
Come over here. Come over here. Come here.
She was going to the bathroom and pounding on the tile.
God, dude, look at this thing.
Yeah, I've seen it. It's really
It's
horrible.
Oh wow, I wonder why this thing's been loose. The only hole in it that fits, the last hole, it's like 1 inch or yeah, like 1.5 inches long now.
Oh god.
Because it's like cut down the length of the belt.
Yeah, you're pretty.